Humans always try to go one step beyond. That's what makes us special. We all wonder what's ahead and how we can reach the future. For us, it's not the future, it's the present, and it looks like this. It's AI prompting. It's multi-channel digital strategies. Future means transforming ideas into reality, researching, understanding the funnel, the customer journey, engaging users, analyzing data, and creating success out of information. But aiming for tomorrow doesn't mean forgetting about today. The effort and the work required to be prepared, because we want to be the ones to write the future. But it doesn't wait for us. So be ready. We want you to be a part of it. Be the one to take that step and make history.